Guys, so I got pho and I'm so excited. I got shrimp pho. I've been craving this for literally so long, and I'm like, maybe I should just go to the store to eat this. But you know, okay, that's OD, girl. Like, hold up. I wanted sushi, but I was like, let me just get some pho. Let's add this stuff to it while that marinates. I feel like it should be more hotter. Let me see. It's not that bad. Oh my god, I can't open this. I literally have to call them and I'm like, I need more jalapenos. I'll do all of this. I ain't gonna lie. It should have been way hotter, but okay. I add all of these. I like a lot of sauce in my stuff, and unfortunately, this ain't enough, okay? Like, this really isn't. Okay, let's see. Mm-hmm. This is so good. I feel like I should have got sushi. Because I feel like when you eat pho, it's best to eat it, like, when you're in the store. Because, like, you can add in whatever you want to add in.